Hi there, my name is Hao, and this is just another video of me solving random LeetCode problem. So we are given the n by n matrix here. Each row is sorted in a decreasing order, and the first integer of each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. So in other words, the whole thing is sorted in ascending order. And our job is to find a integer target and return a true or false. We have to do it in log of n times n, right? So how do we sort, how do we find, how do we apply the binary search to this problem to a 2D array without flattening an array, right? Because usually we will do the binary search in a 1D array, but now we have a 2D array, right? So an easy solution is that we can binary search by the column and then binary search by the row. So let's say we have like the top and the bottom here, right? And we can check the mid to see. So our target is 3. So if 3 is in the range of 10 and 20, right? The first and the last element. If it is not in the range, right? If it is smaller, then we just move our bottom pointer here up and do it again, right? So our mid is also here now, right? So 1 and 7, 3 is in range of 1 and 7. So we binary search on this row, and eventually we will find the target 3 here and return true. So that's pretty much it. Let's code this up. So let's create some constant. So rows equal to matrix of length, columns is equal to matrix 0 of length, right? And then we need our left and the right pointer. Oh, sorry, top and bottom. Top is 0, the bottom equal to rows minus 1. So y top is less than or equal to the bottom. We want to find the mid row equal to top plus floor of bottom minus top divided by 2. Right. And then we're gonna check to see if the target is in the range, right? And what is the range? The range is like the first and the last element, right? In that row, which is the min and the max. So we can say min is equal to matrix of mid row 0. Same thing here, but this one is columns minus 1. It is max. So if the mid row, if the we also need the current number, right? Is matrix oh no, we can look at the target. So if the target is greater than or equal to the mean, and the target is less than or equal to the max, right? It's in the range, then we will return the binary search rate. That's we want to binary search on the row, passing in the mid row here. And we can create a helper function for that. Const binary search row, checking the row, right? We can have our left and the right as usual. And we need these two constants, so let's go it up. Net right is equal to columns minus 1, right? And y left is less than or equal to right. And we do some things, right? And if we didn't find it, we just return false. So that is the general algorithm. So same for here, right? We are searching for the row. So we can check that if the target is smaller than the mean, right? We need to move up. So top to bottom is equal to mid row minus 1. And else we're gonna do top equal to mid row plus 1, right? So if the target is less than the mean, we move up right? By moving the bottom pointer, and if the target is greater than the min, than the max, then we move the top pointer down, right? So the reason that I know in the else case here that the target is greater than the max is because we have the min and the max here, right? So this area is in range, right? We already check it here. So if it is not in range, it is not in the range, and if it is not less than the min, then the only case left is it is have to be greater than the max. So that's why the ternary operator work. Okay, and then we can return false at the end if we couldn't find any valid row, right? So let's do something here. We can look for the column, right? Mid column. So here, top is the left, and the column is the right. And then we need to look at the current number. So num is equal to matrix of the given row from the parameters and the column, right? So if num is equal to the target, we will return true. Or if num is less than the target, num is less than the target, then we have to move to the right, right? And so left equal to mid plus one, and right equal to mid minus one. So that's pretty much it. Let's give it a try. Okay, we have some bugs here. Mid is not defined. Oh, of course, it's mid column accepted. So the time is pretty good here, 95%. Space is constant, right? I'm just using a few variables here. So thank you for watching.